dialogue ain't for cyclists. Oh. Yeah, it is. Come over here, we'll talk. I'm gonna go, let's go talk. Fucking dumbass cop.
For riding in the street.
It's the law of states. I'm not allowed to ride in the street. That is the law.
If there's a bike lane.
No.
No.
You're wrong.
Okay.
And you also know there's a 3-foot passing law, right? Passed by the state of Michigan back in September, signed by the governor.
Okay. But in the event that you don't impede traffic, you're allowed to.
You know what impeding traffic is? There's a minimum speed limit. There's no minimum speed limit on Gratiot. It's all 40, 45. There's no minimum speed limit.
Okay.
Trust me, I've already had a ticket in Warren and beat it in court for riding down 9 Mile.
But if you're
I'm far right.
All right, so you're far right. Did you swerve to get out of the manhole cover?
Yeah.
That's impeding traffic.
No, it's not.
100%.
A car can't swerve to miss a pothole? So, okay, let me tell you this. If I want to hit that pothole and go over the handlebars, then I'm going to put a lawsuit on the city.
Would you hit that sidewalk? If you hit the sidewalk, would you go over your handlebars? Is there a manhole on the sidewalk?
I'm not going to ride the sidewalk.
Right. Because it's for your safety,
no,
right?
It's for pedestrians. It's actually...
You are a pedestrian.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Cyclists are... Here, I'm going to...
Show me. I'll believe you. Show me. The only reason why I said it was, you know how many people die on Gratiot? Look at right here, my man.
I know.
Look at, there's a cross right there.
I know that.
There's a cross right there.
But I ride Gratiot all the time. I cycle over the city when I'm not on the road. I drive a truck for a living, too.
Okay. So why would you even want to ride on Gratiot is the better question.
Because... Okay, you want to go write him a ticket right now.
For crossing the sidewalk?
Crossing the sidewalk.
Okay.
You write him a ticket?
Coming, though?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because if I'm coming between a building, if a car's coming between a building, I'll take it to court.
Okay.
I'll call my lawyer.
Okay.
And I'll see you in court.
All right. So why would you in the first place want to even ride on Gratiot, bro?
Because it's a street. I'm considered traffic. This is considered traffic. We're going to find out else. I got them saved in here.
Okay.
Just because...
How much do these cost you?
Over $100 to replace. Thank God I haven't had to replace them yet.
Is it just a tube?
No, those are tubeless.
They're tubeless?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just go to Michigan Cyclist. It's easier.
The last law I read, you had to go against traffic.
No.
You had to be...
No, that is actually against the law. You go against traffic on a bike, you're going the wrong way down the... I'm sorry.
Forward facing.
That's only for runners.
Okay.
If I'm running, then you go against traffic.
Why would you even want to do it, bro? I wouldn't even risk it on Gratiot. If you're a driver, you're a truck driver, why would you even fuck around with it? Because you know how people drive on Gratiot. Do you drive around here?
I drive all over the country.
Dude.
I just got back from El Paso this
why
morning.
would you even want to risk it on Gratiot?
Because Gratiot's really not that bad.
Bro, Gratiot's fucking terrible.
I grew up in this neighborhood. I know...
What is this for? Oh, it's a camera.
Yeah, it's a GPS.
Is this your GPS or is that a camera?
That's a camera.
What is this?
Headlight?
Light?
Yeah.
You got the setup. You got a horn, too.
Gotta have it all to be legal.
Yeah.
Actually, the horns... Horns actually...
How do you hit the horn?
I never use it.
What's that run to?
The air tank right here.
I can't fault you. All right, I got calls that said that you almost got hit.
Well, if I almost got hit, that's their fault. You can't legally pass.
But still, what good are you going to do if you're in a wheelchair or you're a vegetable? What way of life is that?
I guess I'll have a nice bank account, won't I?
Because
that's what's going to happen. They want to be
what
idiots.
Good is it, bro?
Because even my daughter knows to give 3 feet of passing.
Yeah, but nobody knows other than someone that does what you do.
They should know, though. It's basic traffic laws. It's
you know how big the traffic law book is? Bro, it's this big. It's the size of a Bible.
And that's why half these cars need to go back to driver's training.
Right.
Go on my notes.
I wasn't saying it to be a dick. I'm just
saying
it so you don't get hit.
I've...
Show me. Dude, they update it all the time. Show me.
This is in Huntington, but safety equipment for your ride, rules of the road, page 6.
I know you got all the shit. I saw all the shit.
I deal with cops all the time.
Bro, I wouldn't even fuck with Gratiot.
You know what? I ride country roads and everything. Like my work's up at 26 and 94. I'm leaving Wednesday morning.
People are normal, you know what I'm saying?
No, we're not.
26.
Because I ride down
Should be a
26 and
highway.
I get, tripped almost always. Like tomorrow night or Wednesday morning, I'll be going all the way down to 26 because I'm going to ride to work on Wednesday morning.
On your bike?
Yeah. I enjoy this.
What's up, buddy? Everything good?
Yeah, I'm straight. Thank you, sir.
Some big tires on that bike.
Dude, tubeless.
Tubeless?
Yeah.
Alright. I just want to see you get hit out here, man.
I'm not-
See all the crosses.
I know.
People get fucking smoked on Gratiot all the time.
I know.
It's not about, I'm not worried about you. It's, look at everybody else. Everybody, it's rush hour, it's lunch hour.
I know. You know what I'm saying? I'm not.
Just because you know the
I
rules of the
stop
road
at the
doesn't mean
lights.
anybody else does.
I stop at the lights and wait for the light to turn.
I hope you wouldn't
Just
run
like
ahead.
and they're actually trying to pass it in Michigan now, where you can treat it. It's called an Idaho stop.
Yeah, it's up there.
No, I'm saying the light, you can jump it if no traffic's coming. It hasn't passed yet, but they're
There's
trying.
that one, it's a little ways away, just south of 15. It's for pedestrians, I can see it. It's blinking yellow. Nobody abides by it because no one knows about it, but
Like in New York now, they got actual cyclist lights. So they get 10, 15 seconds ahead of traffic.
yeah.
And Michigan needs to start doing that, but
We just put that bike lane in on Martin.
I know I ride that all the time. I live off
That's
Frazel, so I take Groveland up to Martin, and then always Martin to wherever I'm going.
Just
So-
be careful, man.
I will.
All right?
Thank you, sir.
All right, bro. This one was 5, and he's like, what do you want to do? I'm like, well, I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow or Wednesday or something.